Hey everybody, it's Tori Good here with Bucks County Paranormal. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to operate the RTVP. If you have one, you don't remember how to operate it, it's been a long time since you used it, or you just somehow managed to get one used somewhere, because these are no longer made, but they're really awesome. Basically, you gotta make sure your whole button's turned off. Right now mine's on. If I try to power it on, see, it says hold, and it'll shut right off, so you basically gotta take it around and undo that. Hold down enter. Right here, this is your playback volume, not your mic sensitivity. To adjust your mic sensitivity, if you want more sensitive microphone, you gotta hit record. What I like to do, I hit record and pause, then adjust, or you can just adjust while it's recording. Either way, I don't know if either one matters. Right now here is recording, and to adjust the mic sensitivity, you gotta adjust these two. See? And you hold it down, it'll go up. Drop right there. You can see the mic sensitivity is really up now. Let me pause it. You can also pause it, then do adjustment as well. That's what I usually do mostly, but it's up to you. Now, if you got your recording, you just hold down record, and you just save your file. But sometimes you get playback feedback. When your mic sensitivity is so high, it's because of this. You have to drop it low. To drop it, basically, these two buttons right here, it will decrease it. Now go on the menu. This is your playback mode, record mode. You gotta hit these sides here to adjust it. Playback mode is basically normal, repeat. I don't know much about that, I never mess with it. And to get out of it, you hit escape. Record mode, it's basically your microphone in, line in, external mic. And here's record quality. Here's PCM, uncompressed file, 48K, 44K, PCM 8K, PCM 44. This is all uncompressed. There's no MP3, like compressed stuff. Gotta think something you want. Hit enter. And record playback. This is how long it takes for it to playback. I think the factory said we get it from, well, if you get yours new, it'll be 5 seconds or 10 seconds, I don't remember. This is how long it takes for it to start playing it back. I got that one ready. Your index. This is where your files are at. You You see I got 2 files in here. To delete it, you gotta go in here, hit delete, and yes, and enter. Delete, hit the side, and enter. Now to get in your Spirit Box sessions, you gotta go on the menu and hold it down. There's record playback, your FM auto sweep, and system settings. And this is for Spirit Box. Right now it's scanning, and once you connect your headset to this, a wire one, from what I know, it acts like an antenna. To adjust your audio for your Spirit Box, all you gotta do is hit these two, one ease, and it'll adjust the audio. And also, you can also record your Spirit Box session as well. Hit record. You see? Now it's recording your Spirit Box sessions. Hold down record to stop recording. And get your save file right there. To get out of the Spirit Box, just go to record play, and now you're there. This is this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.